On my dive today, I saw the tightest hole I have ever seen. I think it's like exactly the size of my body. I went down and was able to squeeze through. Once I squeezed out of the hole, I realized there wasn't much left down here. I guess that makes sense that when the hole is really tight, you don't last as long. After that, Mia said that she saw something cool in this big cave and she wanted me to come down so she could point it out to me. When she pointed, I was like, that's just shadows. But then I got closer and saw this sleepy turtle. Aw, hi doggy. Okay, bye-bye, I let you sleep. After that, Mia wanted to try diving through a tunnel, but she's had congestion, so she wasn't able to equalize, so she had to go down really slowly. When she finally got to the bottom, I was like, okay, go through the tunnel, and she made it through without any sinus pain. I thought Brittany was coming after us, so I turned back and looked, and she wasn't there. Okay, that's all the stuff we saw. Bye.